Saturday morning is when our neighborhood actually started to take on water. I was not able to come home Friday after work because of the amount of water, but my neighbors were sending pictures as the water rushed into our neighborhood and they were being evacuated by boat. We probably got about 2 feet of water inside of my home, a little bit more standing on the outside. Our cars are flooded, and we're just basically now just trying to gut the house and start over. Since this happened, all of my coworkers, they have been calling to check on me. They dropped off cleaning supplies, buckets, mops, bleach, everything, you know, snacks and food, and they've checked on me each day just to see how I'm doing. If I needed anything, offered help to come and help me. They, you know, like I said, dropped off supplies and have been really supportive during this time. But I'm hopeful that we'll get through this process. We have a lot of support where everybody's pulling together to help everybody. People are offering food, and I know in the end we'll just be a stronger Baton Rouge and a stronger Louisiana for going through this process.
We received the call about 11 o'clock Tuesday evening, about 2 o'clock before we left, and we was told to come to DEMCO central office, that there was flood damage. So we arrived, got to work, got a lot of lights on. It feels great to help all these people out. We're all brothers, even if we work at different co-ops, different utilities. We're all here to help each other out and help each other's families out.
A couple of days into the restoration, Washington St. Tammany called, said, what can we do? And they sent 3 angels, Chad, Willie, and Sherry. They loaded up the Franklinton Police Department trailer and brought Clorox, snacks, fresh underwear, anything you could think of to drink, cases of water, bottled Gatorade. Just can't say enough about how South Louisiana and others that are linked in the cooperative, how they pull together to help us.
Back there, did we bring the blocks back there? Yeah, the blocks are back there, pots back there. Awesome. We got a sling line? All we need is go.
It looks like they got control of it, and they starting to finish it up.
What about your family?
Well, they're home, they're safe. They miss me, I miss them, but it's part of the job.